Okay, now we have the compound interest, and we know that compound interest is an interest on top of the interest. It means that when you have an interest for your principal on the first year, this interest will be included on the next year. Okay, in this problem, we are going to determine the total interest within 5 years with a principal of 1,000 pesos at an interest rate of 5% compounded annually. So compounded annually is yearly. So to start with, we have now F on the first year. We are going to determine F1 equivalent to P plus the interest. Okay, where in interest I is equal to P and I, but since it is in yearly basis, then we have P multiplied on the first year, you multiply that with the whole days in a year of 360 days per year, and you divide this also with for as ordinary simple interest of 360 days per year also. Then multiply that by an interest rate of 5% per year. Okay, so this will cancel out. 360 and 360 will cancel out. Here and here also cancel out. So since it is yearly basis, then we are going to simplify the equation by P plus PI. Okay, for the first year, we need to determine the accumulated amount after 1 year using this equation already, since we cancel 360 and 360. Okay, so we have here P equal to 1,000 pesos plus the interest of 1,000 pesos at 5%. Okay, we have now $1,102 or 1,000 1,150. Okay, so this is the accumulated amount, principal plus interest, total of 1,050 pesos. On the second year, and this will become the principal for the second year. For the second year, since we have 1,050, then we consider this as the initial principal 1,050 plus the interest of 1,050 at 0.05. So we have 1,102 50 1,150, and this will become the beginning principal for the third year. Okay, for the third year we have this beginning principal of 1,102.50 plus the interest for the 112.50 at 0.05 0.05%. Equal now to 1157.625. Okay, so this is now the accumulated amount after the third year, and this 1157.625 will become the beginning principal for the fourth year at 4. So we have the beginning principal of 1157.625 plus the interest for that 1157.625 multiplied by 0.05. We have 1,215.5063. Okay. Again, on the fifth year, since at the end of the fourth year, this is your amount, 1,215.5063. Okay. This will become the beginning principal for the fifth year. 1,150 or 1,110 5063 plus the interest of 1,215.5063 at 5%. We have now the accumulated amount of 1,276.28 pesos. So this, all in all, after 5 years, the principal deposited of 1,000 pesos after 5 years, the accumulated amount F, or the future worth of P after 5 years, is equal to 1,276.28. Okay, so that is the answer. However, since you compute this manually and you have a very long solution, you can compute it by formula, and our formula is equal to P. F equals P, quantity 1 plus I to the n power, positive since it is future. If this is future, then your n is positive. If your principal is the unknown parameter, then this will become negative. So by computing this, we have 1,000 multiplied by quantity 1 plus 0.05, wherein n is equal to 5. Then we have also 1276.28 pesos. Okay, so by formula we have the same answer. Okay, of 1,276 or 1,276.28. That is your compound interest. Okay.